Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and today is April Ipsy unboxing. So, here is my April Ipsy bag. I've just unsealed it. I haven't taken anything out. But first, I want to show you that I have on my Happy Easter shirt with wrong shoulder. Wait a minute. Nope, wrong shoulder, right shoulder. With my little bunny butt on the one sleeve. I made it on my Cricut. Isn't it cute? Happy Easter. Okay, let's get to Ipsy. So let's see. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did look up everything because Ipsy doesn't give you a card inside that tells you what's in the bag. So I got online and looked up everything. Oh, it's a cute bag. Blue with white daisies and yellow centers. That's real cute. I like that. All right, what's the first thing here is sticking out? All right, they are brushes by Belle en Argent. Nice brushes. Let's see what I have on here. Okay, this is something I picked. I really didn't like the choices this month, but you have to pick something. You get to pick 3 things. They tell you what they're going to give you, and then you get to pick 3. These are beautiful brushes, I have to say. They are quite luxurious. They sell for $62. There is a bronze, I don't want to pull it that way, and a buff brush duo. Okay, this is the Leading Lady blush for blending a large area. And this is the, let's see, Spotlight to add details and accents. They're very, very soft. They're quite luxurious, quite beautiful. They're large, very lovely, and they get excellent reviews. Okay, so those are the Belle en Argent Duo facial brushes that sell for $62. Next, more brushes. Okay, I didn't pick these. These are the Thera 4-piece complete face set makeup brushes. Foundation, powder, contour, and eyeshadow that sell for $46. Let's see what they look like. See, that's what happened with the choices. Really didn't, the choices were limited, so I added more brushes, even though I was getting brushes and what they chose for me. Okay, these are quite nice. They're acrylic handles with the daisies that are on the clear acrylic handles with the daisies that are on the bag. White daisies with yellow centers. Okay, so we have, let's see, foundation, powder, contour, and eyeshadow. Well, obviously, and these are by Thera. This is the eyeshadow brush. Soft. All right, this is going to be, I never know which one. I use them for whatever I want. This is going, let's see, this must be the contour because it's contoured, see? And then this must be the, I don't know. One of these is supposed to be powder, one is supposed to be foundation. I'm gonna say that's the foundation one, round top. Then I'm gonna say this is the That's the foundation. This is the contour round top. And this must be the powder. I don't know. I use them however I want to, you know? That's the way I'd probably use them. Yeah, that's the way I'd probably use them. But they're nice. They're very nice. Okay, that's good. More brushes. Maybe it's time for me to change out brushes. All right, next thing is this. Butter Skin, tea tree and aloe exfoliating scrub. Now I've gotten butter before and I really like it. I've gotten butter cleanser before, and this is an exfoliating mask scrub. Triple action clay mask foam cleanser, deep exfoliator. In fact, I think I ordered another tube of butter cleanser when I got it before. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's got a cap. It's probably sealed. Let's see. Yeah, it is sealed. This is a nice product. I really like it. Multitasking 3-in-1 facial cleanser and a powerhouse for blemished skin. It starts as a treatment mask with kaolin's clay to detoxify, absorbs oils and smooth skin. Then it transforms into a gentle foam cleanser infused with tea tree oil to remove dirt, impurities, and mattify. Natural echo beads deep clean, exfoliate, and polish the skin. The finishing touch aloe hydrates, soothes, and nourishes skin. For all melanin skin tones. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding eyes and lip areas. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Splash face with water to activate. Massage into skin and rinse. For best result, use twice a week. Okay. Now, as I recall, when I originally got this, it was for ladies of color, but I really liked it, so I ordered a second tube, and I've used up the second tube, as I recall. I really do like this butter brand, so I'm very happy with this. And I didn't pick it. They sent it to me. All right, next. Ahava, another brand that I really like. Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. I'm pretty sure I picked this one because I like Ahava brand. Purifying Mud Mask Face Mask. Comes in this box. Mud from the Dead Sea, which is the most mineral-rich mud on Earth. Okay. Okay. Pulls out dirt, oils, and toxins. Put on a thick layer, leave on for 2 minutes, let it fully dry, and rinse. I already have a tube of this, and I've used it before, and I like it. I really do like it. It's all sealed up. It comes out clear. I'm pretty sure it says clear. Time to Clear Purified Mud Mask. No, it doesn't come out clear. It comes out black. You put it on, you leave it on for 2 minutes, and then you rinse it off. This is a good product. I really like this, okay? So I picked this, and I'm really happy with it. So that was a pick that I was happy with. I guess what I wasn't happy with is that there were brushes in what they gave you, and then there were brushes as one of the picks, and I picked a brush set because I didn't like the other picks, but the Ahava, I'm saying that wrong, Ahava Mud Mask pick was one that I was pleased with. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, they give you a little card. So the motto is keep growing. And next month, May, is the Glam Bag X Plus, whatever. Okay, so this is the last thing, and this is Sandbar Beauty. Yeah, this is the one that I really wasn't crazy about getting, but I had to pick something. So, okay, has a cellophane cover. Take that off. It always has that electrical static to it. Okay, there it is. Kind of has a glare to it. Then you slide it out of the little plastic cover. There it is. Now I can tell you, this is getting very mixed reviews. Okay, it has a mirror. And there are, oh, I didn't tell you how much the Ahava Purified Mud Mask is. It's $36. Okay, this is a Sandbar Beauty Oasis palette, eyeshadow palette. You get 6 matte and shimmer shades. And I did pick it. Okay, so there it is. And like I said, it's getting very mixed reviews. Some people love the shades. Some people don't like the shades. Some people are saying that it's very, a lot of fallout, doesn't give a lot of coverage. Some people are saying you have to use a wet brush to get any kind of coverage. Some people are real happy with it. Some people are very unhappy with it. I don't know, I haven't used it. I kind of like the colors. I really like that flame and that soleil. This is the flame and this is the soleil. The other colors look kind of light to me, although that, let's see, storm, I like that. That's a real shimmer. The flame, the soleil, and the shimmer, I'm sorry, the storm. The flame, the soleil, and the storm are shimmers, as is the cactus and the shimmer. Yeah, wait a minute. The prism. The cactus and the prism are shimmers, and the pink sand is a matte. Pink sand is a matte. Everything else appears to be a shimmer. I like shimmers. I know the makeup book says women over 60 are not supposed to wear shimmers and shiny eye makeup. But I do. See? I wear all kinds of shimmers and shiny eye makeup. So I just tore that page out of the makeup book and threw it away, because I do makeup my way, and you should do makeup your way, because I like shiny eye shadows, so I use them. But you do eye makeup your way. I don't pay attention to that. Women over 60 aren't supposed to use shiny eye makeup. Says who? Who wrote the book? I don't know. I don't pay any attention to them. But anyway, that's it. I'll try it. I like some of those colors. So that's it. All right. And that sells for, did I tell you how much that sells for? Let's see, that sells for $26. So let's do a review of what I have here. I have this, the Sandbar Beauty Oasis palette for $26. I have the Ahava Mud Mask from the mud from the Dead Sea, which is the most mineral-rich mud on earth, for $36. I picked that. We have the acrylic 1, 2, 3, 4 brush set from Farrah, $46. We have the 2 Belangeon Bronze and Buff Brush Duo for $62. We have the Butter Tea Tree and Aloe, I'll get it right yet, Face Scrub Exfoliator for $22. We have the Pretty Bag. And that's it. So now I gotta add it up because I forgot to add it up. I'll be right back. All right, so the total is, drumroll please, $192. It's a pretty good total. So I'm gonna give this April Ipsy bag a 4 out of 5. What do you think? The reason is because I wasn't crazy about the choices, although I liked the mud mask. I had to pick another set of brushes because I didn't like the picks. And I wouldn't have picked another eyeshadow palette because goodness only knows I don't need another one. And it's getting mixed reviews, so I'm not sure how crazy I'm gonna be about it. What was my favorite? My favorite is the Butter Mud Mask that I did get to pick. My other favorite is the Ahava mask, which, did I get to pick that one? Wait a minute. Yes, I did get to pick this one. This one I didn't pick, they gave to me, which I really like. And so those were my 2 favorites. So 4 out of 5, that's pretty good. What do you all think? Tell me in the comments below. Okay, that's it for the April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I'll see you next month for the big boy. And happy Easter to everyone. I hope to see you again at Nona's here again very soon. And remember, be nice to everyone because, and don't forget you can wear shiny eyeshadow too if you're over the age of 60. Be nice to everyone because there are a lot of crazies out there. Bye.